Hello, welcome to my half-assed channel. My name is Adam Khan. I'll start with a disclaimer. I'm not a financial planner, I'm not a lawyer, and I'm not an accountant. Please use any of the information I provide on this channel for entertainment purposes only, and reach out to your financial advisor, accountant, or lawyer for any financial decisions you make. So, happy Monday. I don't know what happened to my video from last night. I tried to post, it looked like it was still downloading, but as you guys know, I'm not the greatest at this. Again, I'm kind of excited. It seems like I'm getting 6-8 views pretty consistently, which for me, that's super exciting because originally it was just 1 or 2, and I know that was my brother and my wife and possibly my sister who says I'm boring as shit. So, that being said, well, exactly what I was hoping to see still makes me nervous. Currencies and the S&P futures all pulled back. I'm hoping that tomorrow is about the end of the pullback and that we see them start to head up again. I still feel like there's enough nervousness out there, including myself, that the markets look good. And as long as everybody stays nervous and it continues to head in the up direction, I would rather the trend is your friend. I know they say don't fight the Fed, but to be fair, the Fed has slowed down their raises, and even the unemployment number being strong still notes a strong economy. So if inflation is getting under control, unless they push too far and push the unemployment too far and cause the rents to come down and cause the housing to come down which is a legitimate concern. But if those things don't happen, I think we have a long way to the upside. And my consistent theme is things like, if I want to own Amazon, I want to own as many shares as possible. So to be fair, even if it falls, I want to buy more shares. I think they're a good company. And hopefully by the time that I actually want to sell those shares to use it for something else, it's far enough down the line that I've averaged in at a really cheap price and it's outperformed over the long run, and I've done okay. But on our day-to-day trading, what I would like to see, really, I got to tell you, the euro broke below 108 and traded down to like 107.40 or 50 today, and then seemed to hover there a long time, which if it can hover there tonight too and not really break new lows, then I'd like to see us start having a tough time trending back up again as it slowly creeps and creeps and creeps back to 110 and then breaks above those highs and starts going again. I don't see where the dollar would start to get stronger. I know that Powell said that we have to cut for a longer amount of time, but I really think the European countries and Japan, some of the others, they've got longer to go and further to do than we do. So yeah, well, we're going to have to go longer than we think. Well, they're going to have to go even further, which means they should outperform and we should weaken. Equity side, that means equity stronger. So I'd like to see that continue throughout the year. January was outrageously fast and went a little far, so I still wouldn't be surprised to see a bit more of a pullback, and it even could turn to make everybody scared enough to turn bearish before it catches. But I'm hoping that's not what we see this time. I'm hoping we've broken that trend and that this is just, it's scary all the way, and it looks like how could it keep going higher. That would be a better type of move to see. So if you guys are enjoying this, maybe a like, or God, if somebody would subscribe, that'd be super cool. If you send a question, like that's awesome. I'll do my best to respond. Happy to answer any specifics, like if you have a specific stock you want to know about or whatever. I really do watch a lot of them. I watch the metals markets. I don't watch the bonds too much, but I watch most of the currencies, if not all the currencies. And a whole bunch of other things. So if you're curious and want an opinion on something you've been watching, feel free to send the question. If I don't answer quickly, really, it's just I'm not used to being on YouTube and I'm not paying attention to it. So that's all. In terms of Jacob's account, again, sorry I didn't get it open today, but look to future videos. I'll have him pop it open. I'm trying to have him take the lead and just talk about what he's been doing. Out of his money, he saved about 10% of what was invested in case he wants to find something else down the line, and put in most of what he had. And I'm assuming, I don't look that often, but I know this weekend he had crushed it. But equities have done real well, so hard for him not to have. So thanks for checking in. Maybe a like or subscribe, and hope to see you in future videos.